posted on MySpace or on Facebook.
Really?
And I mean, one of them has requested to be my friend, and none of them have requested to be just
Your
my friend.
sisters? Why are they
And,
doing that
I
way?
don't know. You recording?
I'm recording her. It's kind of bitchy if you ask me.
So I'm gonna call them.
Apparently he's that awesome. Oop! There goes my camera.
Uh-oh.
Oops.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Jeez. Oh, no, your sister.
You feel better, Aiden?
No.
You feel better?
Yeah.
Yeah.
His face feel better.
Does it?
Sydney, you want to say hi? Can I say hi?
Hi.
She hi. Hi.
I don't take many pictures.
You don't?
Oh, look at the
I'm
camera.
like, whatever. I'm like,
They can see a camera and they know what to say.
Brooke. 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 Hey, say hola. Hola. Hey, she's fast. Is it coming? Oh, there he's coming.
He's told me to hurry.
Oh. Brooke, say hola. Hola.
You can
Hola.
you can follow my mom where she is going.
Hola.
So then,
She's posing.
where's her car?
My car's over there.
No, her car.
Oh, it's at home.
Because my house not too far. Because you guys picked me up. You guys picked me
But
up.
duh.
You guys picked me up is because I didn't want to sit by you, so now I want to sit by you now. Yeah. Yes, be careful because the floor is wet. Yeah, it's raining. Is this raining? This is raining a lot. See these clouds? It's gonna be dark. The light is gonna be.
Hola. Hola.
Later it's gonna be.
Hola.
Raining day.
Is that him? No, I don't think so. Say hola. Hola. Hola, Titi. Brooke, can you say Titi? Titi? Titi.
Your name is.
That's right. That's my name. Say Titi. Brooke. Say Titi. Titi.